Dude, naalala nyo pa ba si Rusi 400? Yung nilabas nilang 400cc variant demo unit for the Philippine market? If yes, then meron akong bagong cheese chirimismis sa inyo. And it's spicy meatball piece of information that they are now making a sport bike version of that particular model. And this, my ladies and gentle dudes, is the Zongshen Cyclone RC3. Actually, hindi na nakakagulat ito. It's something expected to happen sooner or later. Ito ay dahil sa exponential growth na tinatamasa ngayon ng CF Moto sa kanilang 250 and 300 SR. Yes, isang sumisikat na Chinese-made na motor. Ang ibig sabihin nito, with its popularity and high demand from that specific target market, ay unti-unti nang nare-realize at nagbabago ang opinyon ng mga tao sa motor nila. At dahil dyan, kasama na dyan syempre ang pagbubukas ng malaking oportunidad hindi lang sa CF Moto, but sa lahat ng mga Chinese MC manufacturer. Syempre, sasabayan na nila yan ng kanilang sariling version that also aims towards quality products at an affordable price. Kaya kung napansin nyo in recent years, sunod-sunod nagsilabasan ang mga yan. Pero dude, why bakit ganyan ang quality ng picture mo? Totoo ba talaga yan? But of course, my dudes, hindi naman ako basta-bastang gagawa ng content out of nothing. As you can see, it's a rendered computer-generated image. And it looks like parang stolen capture image lang ito gamit ang camera ng isang smartphone. But what really piqued my interest is the recognizable branding and components na meron sa mga model ng Zongshen motorcycles. So it's no doubt na galing ito sa linya ng Cyclone series, gaya ng RE3, RG3, RX4, and for the sport bike variant, the RC3. As you can see here, my dudes, yan ang current or should I say dating RC3 na unang nilabas ni Zongshen. Actually, discontinued model niya na tumagal lang ng 2 years. Yes, 2 taon lang ang tinagal niyan. Perhaps dahil na rin siguro sa hindi nag-click sa mga tao? I mean, damn, para naman kasing early 2003 ang design. But, hindi man halata sa looks. Ang totoo niyan, this bike, my dude, was developed and enhanced through an actual racing event such as China's Road Racing National Championship. Ang Zongshen is one of those brands na hindi lang nakafocus sa paggawa ng mga commercial units. Meron din silang separate team na nakafocus sa pagdevelop ng kanilang track sport variants, which is great. Kasi yan din ang ginagawa ng CF Moto and Pecon Motorcycles. Ito ay hindi lang to establish their brand, but through racing, dyan talaga sila nagkakaroon ng technological breakthrough advancement. But let us now talk more about the actual leak image. As I said, leak image pa lang ang meron tayo, so therefore there's no other option but to analyze what we got. And from the looks of it, parang mukhang engine platform ito ng TC380. The same 377cc engine you'll find from their current Cyclone series. But since this is the latest 2021 model, it will be using the new and improved TC400 engine. Yes, dude! The 401cc na pasok sa Expressway. Updated na yung dating 377.8cc ng TC380 engine, which confirms na ang Rusi 400 ay talagang legit Expressway big bike na. Yan ang isa sa mga rason why bakit natatagalan ang release niyan sa Pinas. Mas natagalan talaga siya dahil sa production ng bagong makina at syempre nakapabigat pa dyan ang pandemic. But anyhow, the TC400 engine is a 401cc parallel twin dual overhead cams 4 valves liquid cooled engine that outputs around 42.8 horsepower at 9,500 RPM with a maximum 34 Nm of peak torque at 8,000 RPM. Now that's actually a decent upgrade from the previous TC380 engine na meron lang 36 HP. But since sa sport bike nila ito lalagay, huwag ka nang mag-expect ng sobrang bilis na top speed. Since ang makina neto ay ginawa to do one specific task, And that is to give you a good amount of torque at low RPM. Meaning madali mo lang ma-access ang peak power niya na hindi kailangan ma-stress ang makina. Unlike sa mga high revving engine na tulog ang makina. Walang problema sa mga motor na yan, magdedepende na lang talaga yan sa choice of your own riding habit. Etong si Cyclone RC3, think of it as a smaller version of the Yamaha R7 that favors more on low to mid than high-end power. Moving on sa components, it's clear na naka-inverted front forks na siya but comes with a standard single disc brake setup. As for the swing arm and alloy wheels ay iba din ang setup niya kesa sa mga road focus na mga naunang units ni Cyclone. Ang medyo familiar lang talaga dito ay ang daytime running light na hawig sa RG3. And it looks like ang main headlight nito ay magiging single projector light din that will also share the same design language ng RG3. Oh, bago ka mag-react dyan, mad dude. Hindi, sila nang gaya ng design ng R7. Kasi ang Cyclone RG3 ay first na unveiled pa last year of September 2020 sa China Motor Expo. Other components are most likely to get a dual channel ABS and a full 50 display. And as for the design, mukha siyang matured version ng CF Moto 300 SR. I mean, just look at those aggressive lines and underbelly exhaust. Parang Gundam na yan ah. That's a solid looking design, both looks and aerodynamic performance. Bikes like this, my dudes, is what really excites me the most. Kasi they offer us a reasonable price na afford ng mga ordinaryong masisipag na tao. Let's agree to disagree na lang kung iba man ang opinion mo. I can respect that naman. Talagang hindi na mawawala yan. Pero nasa modern era na kasi tayo. Unlike noon na talagang limited lang ang resources natin. But back on the main topic, as of right now, wala pa talaga tayong ibang impormasyon aside from the leaked image. These are only based on my personal opinion. So again, take this with a grain of salt. The possibilities ng paglabas ng motor na ito is actually quite high, considering the previous launch lineup ng mga motor ni Cyclone. Si RC3 na lang talaga ang napag-iiwanan sa lineup ng Cyclone series. So, baka naman nagustuhan mo ang video natin, my dude. Pakipindot naman ng like or dislike button. Ikaw na ang bahala dyan. But be sure na mag-subscribe with the bell icon turn on ka na rin para maging alerto ka sa mga latest motorcycle news and updates natin. Aight?